Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, most demanding, beautiful and trendy women crocheted nakama designs. New designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts for stylish ladies. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crocheted nakama designs. Beautiful designs, beautiful patterns. So friends, if you want to buy these very beautiful women crocheted nakama designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Stylish color combination contrast is beautiful designing ideas. Easy patterns, knitted patterns you can see in this my video. You can easily make this very beautiful crocheted nakamas if you know crochet work. Washable neck designs, neck warmer designs, beautiful neckline designs you can see. If you want to buy this very beautiful crocheted neck warmer design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video and also give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy women crocheted nakama designs? So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.